Dogecoin cost fundamentally equivalent to $0.0724 a coin in a genuinely significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.0719-0.0734, which really is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 0.0726, or so they for the most part thought. The change fundamentally was 0.0002, 0.28%. Opposite rate, USD to Doge, or so they most certainly thought. Dogecoin value expectation. In the not-so-distant future and month Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $0.074. In every way that really matters. Greatest 0.079. In every way that really matters. Least 0.069, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.074. In every way that really matters. Greatest 0.079, kind of least 0.069, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.074, essentially most extreme 0.079, by and large least 0.069, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.072, really most extreme 0.077, sort of least 0.067, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $0.072, truly greatest 0.077, for the most part least 0.067, or so they sort of thought. In multi-week Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.073, genuinely most extreme 0.078, certainly least 0.068 in an exceptionally large way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.072, really greatest 0.077, all things considered, least 0.067, which in a real sense is very critical. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.072, especially greatest 0.077, genuinely least 0.067, which is very huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.072, genuinely greatest 0.077, least 0.067 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, June 9, cost $0.071, greatest 0.076, fundamentally least 0.066, sort of additional appearance how in multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, June 5, cost $0.073, lovely greatest 0.078, beautiful least 0.068, which generally is very critical. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $0.073, kind of most extreme 0.078, truly least 0.068, which really is genuinely huge. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.074, truly greatest 0.079, especially least 0.069, which certainly is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.074, lovely greatest 0.079, in every practical sense, least 0.069, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.074, for the most part greatest 0.079, sort of least 0.069 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $0.073, really most extreme 0.078, all things considered, least 0.068 in an especially enormous way. In 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, June 19, cost $0.073, lovely greatest 0.078, really least 0.068, which most certainly is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.072, all things considered, greatest 0.077, by and large least 0.067, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.072, for the most part greatest 0.077, least 0.067 amazingly. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.073, greatest 0.078, certainly least 0.068 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, June 23, cost $0.069, greatest 0.074, exceptionally least 0.064, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In about a month, Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost $0.069, greatest $0.074, sort of least $0.064, which by and large is very critical. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.066, extremely greatest $0.071, sort of least $0.061 in an exceptionally huge manner. USD to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 13.8083 coins per $1, which in a real sense is very huge. Today, S reach 136333139121, which all things considered is very huge. The past day, S nearby 13.7741. Change for now plus 0.0342, plus 0.25%, or so they explicitly thought. USD to Doge cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 29, cost 13.514 coins. Certainly most extreme 14.493, sort of least 12.658. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 13.514 coins. Really greatest 14.493, least 12.658. Which certainly shows that Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.074, especially most extreme 0.079, lovely least 0.069 in an exceptionally significant way. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, May 31, cost 13.514 coins. Genuinely greatest 14.493, certainly least 12.658, or so they fundamentally thought. USD to Doge expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 13.889 coins, especially greatest 14.925, really least 12.987, which basically shows that in multi-week Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.073, lovely most extreme 0.078, certainly least 0.068, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Friday, June 2, cost 13.889 coins. For the most part greatest 14.925, exceptionally least 12.987 and in every way that really matters, significant way. In multi-week USD to Doge forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 13.699 coins. Most extreme 14.706, really least 12.821 in a sort of large manner. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost 13.889 coins. Genuinely most extreme 14.925, genuinely least 12.987. USD to Doge expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 13.889 coins. Most extreme 14.925, sort of least 12.987, which basically is very critical. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost 13.889 coins. Most extreme 14.925, genuinely least 12.987 in an essentially enormous